How to buy Amazon gift cards online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to buy Amazon gift cards online, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon website. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. It's simple, just click on sign in and then create your Amazon account. Once you are logged in the search bar, you need to simply type Amazon gift card. The gift card can be physical or digital. You need to simply click on the Amazon e-gift card over here. Then you need to select the amount. It can be $25, $150, $75 or any amount that you want. Then you need to enter whether you want the delivery through email or text message. Then, if you have selected email, you need to enter the recipient email address. Then you need to enter your name. After that, you can even write the message, customize your message over here. Once you have done that, you need to select the quantity and you need to simply select the date that you want the gift card to be delivered on. After that, you simply need to click on add to cart. Once you have done that, you need to click on proceed to checkout, and over here you need to simply add your debit or credit card. Then simply click on that. Then you need to fill up all the credentials that are required. Once you have done, you need to proceed with the payment, and that's it. You have successfully purchased an Amazon gift card online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.